What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. This has to be my favorite product to use for any detailing job because it allows me to wash a car anywhere, anytime using zero water. So that means I don't have to use a hose, I don't have to use a bucket, I don't have to get wet, and I can do it in the sun, in the shade, indoors, outdoors, everywhere using our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. So today I'm going to show you how to use it right now on this jet black Mercedes. We got a camera set up right over the hood to give you guys a great 50-50 to show you guys a before and after. Now this thing has not been washed in 2 months, so it has a lot of dirt, a lot of grime. It doesn't sit in a garage, it's always outside 24 hours a day, so it's a great way to show you how to use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. So to use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, all you need is a bottle of our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. We also have this in a gallon, and you need some premium microfiber towels. Now I'm going to use our Masterson's original 16 by 16 microfiber towels. These are my favorite towel to use for any detailing job when I use waterless. So what you want to first do is take your towels and fold them in fours. So we're going to take it and fold it in fours. There we go. Now we got the perfect towel to waterless wash the vehicle. So what we're going to do first is take our Waterless Wash and Shine and we're going to shake it up. And then we're going to spray it on the hood. So take your Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine and let's spray it on half of the hood. Now we're doing this right here in direct sunlight. So it's a great way to show you how awesome our product works. You just want to make sure you get nice coverage to the product to make sure that you don't scratch the surface. And this works on everything on the vehicle. So it works on paint, it works on wheels, it works on glass, everything. Now take your microfiber towel and just wipe in one direction. Already we're pulling up that grime. We'll keep going a little bit more. Already the dirt coming off is just crazy. That's because the top of the vehicle usually has the most dirt on any car. Look at all the grime on that. That's dirt, industrial fallout, and pollution on the vehicle. Let's flip your towel to a clean side and let's keep working. There we go. Now this is not just a waterless car wash. This is actually a full waterless detailing system for your vehicle. So you can go ahead and spray it anywhere on the car and you can actually get premium results by removing bird droppings. You can remove road tar, tree sap, contamination, everything on the vehicle. There we go. Now that we've cleaned the area, let's take a secondary microfiber towel. We're going to flip it over to a clean side, and then we're just going to go ahead and give it a light buff. Now what we're doing is we're buffing off our synthetic sealant because this waterless wash doesn't just clean, it cleans, it shines, and it protects in one easy step. And what we're doing right now is we're buffing off our synthetic sealant, and that gives more shine and more depth to the surface than just a regular car wash. See, regular car washing just takes the dirt away, but this product cleans, it shines, and it protects. Already look at the difference we have on the hood. The before over here has a complete amount of fallout, dirt, grime, pollution, up to 2 months of contaminants on the hood. And now check out this side right here. This jet black side looks amazing. It literally looks just like a mirror, and it feels slick as well. That's because our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, it has gloss enhancers, cleaners, and it's eco-based. What I love about this product is it protects our environment. It prevents runoff into any oceans, streams, and water sources, and it allows me to wash my car using zero water. So every year when I use this product, I save millions of gallons of water a year, and you can too when you switch to the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Plus, on a black car just like this, you get the best results. The results speak for themselves. The before and the after. When you wash your car with the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, your black car is going to have that showroom luster that you've always wanted to have, and it feels so slick as well. So if you want to get the ultimate waterless wash for your vehicle, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick it up today. The results just speak for themselves. It looks like a mirror, and it's going to give protection to the vehicle because our Waterless Wash and Shine, it features synthetic sealant built into the formula. So it's going to give more shine and more depth and protection from UV solar rays, water spots, and contaminants on your vehicle. If you guys want to pick up some Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, go up over to our website, mastersonswax.com. Pick up everything you need to get your car looking great. Now I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.